Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm with Sonata, the Salmon Nation Decentralized Alliance, a community hub located in the heart of Salmon Nation. And Salmon Pool. Salmon Pool is a mission-driven Cardano stake pool supporting the vision and mission of Sonata. And we're here to present Fund 6 Project Catalyst project called Theia. Theia is a tool to monitor Cardano stake pool relays registered on blockchain. So here's the idea. Our internet today is connected via a large number of underwater and overland network connections, and those network connections sometimes fail. So we were curious if that impacts the availability of stake pool relays. Is that an issue? How often does this occur? Does it lead to network segmentation? These are some of the things we were curious about. So here's the idea. In this example, suppose we start with a relay in Africa. Wouldn't it be interesting if we could get an observation of that relay from different parts of the world, from South America, North America, Europe, and Asia, and report all of that observational data to a single dashboard where you could see what that relay looks like from different points in the world? So that's what we did. Here's what the software we wrote does. Starts with the Cardano blockchain, and we wrote a script to extract all of the pool relays. We then sanitize that data because there's a lot of bad data in there. And then we produce a list of relays to ping. We upload that list of relays to a variety of nodes throughout the world. And those nodes then ping the relays. Every node pings every Cardano relay and gets observational data. We then upload the data to someplace public like S3 alongside the JavaScript to run the dashboard. And then anyone who's curious about the state of the network can use their web browser to load the dashboard, load the ping data, and see it all in one place. And this is what it looks like. So this is just sample data. But in this case, we have 3 stake pools and 3 ping locations, Sweden, Brazil, and Japan. Demo 1 looks like it's offline. Nobody can reach it. Atta Awesome looks a little slow from Brazil. And this is interesting. Connection timed out from Japan. Now that might be a transient error, or if it's permanent or long-standing, that would be something of interest. And then Big Pool, of course, looks fine from everywhere. Now looking at this same page, but with real data, this was done a few days ago. We had locations in Canada, Germany, and Japan pinging the relays. And the list is enormous. I'm not going to go through it all, but we can see some interesting things, even just in the first few relays. First of all, we have a pool here, which seems to be a bit slow from Canada. Now, again, a single data point like this, you can't assume that that is a permanent condition. That might just be that that particular ping was slow for some reason. Maybe it lost a packet. But if this was a consistent condition, that might actually impact this stake pool's relay to operate successfully from the perspective of Canada. We see some offline nodes. Another interesting thing we see is the latency is consistent based on where the relays are and where they're pinged from. So I don't know if you're aware, but our networks today are reaching the speed of light in terms of latency. So this 200 milliseconds, if that's on the other side of the planet, that's generally the latency you're going to expect. We can see that these relays are close to Germany. These relays up here close to Japan. Yeah. So this, as I mentioned, this is a proof of concept. We haven't decided if we're going to take this to the next step or what direction we're going to take it in, but it's generated a lot of conversation and interest within our group. And if you like the idea and have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.